Today you're going to be taking a look at the rectangular, clear, thin mount horizontal strobe light with 3 LEDs. Now this clear LED strobe light is going to have 3 LEDs with 12 flash patterns with alternating and synchronous functions. It's going to be commonly used on work trucks, service vehicles, and trailers. It's going to have a 3/8 profile and a compact design, so it is going to fit in really small spaces. And the LEDs are going to make great replacements for incandescent lights. They're going to last 50 times longer and be more efficient because they're going to provide us a brighter light with less power output. We're not going to have to worry about replacing any bulbs or any brittle filaments inside the break. It is going to have a black housing along with a clear lens and clear LEDs. Now this is going to be a surface mount design, which means we're going to go ahead and just mount it directly to the surface with the included hardware, or there are optional trim rings and bezels and mounting brackets that are available separately. As far as the wiring for our light goes, it's going to be a 3-wire system. We're going to have our black wire for our ground, our red wire for our power, and our yellow wire is going to serve 2 functions. It's going to be used to sync up other strobe lights to our light, as well as picking which flash pattern we want. Now the light is going to have an SAE J595 Class 1 rating when used in a horizontal orientation and be CA13 certified. It has an IP67 rated for water and dust resistance. And I'd like to give you a few dimensions on the light itself. Our light's going to come in right at 3 3/8 inches long. And it's going to be about 1 1/8 inches tall. And as far as the depth goes, if we include the clear lens, our light's going to be right about 3/8 inches deep. Now they're going to give us 10 inches of wire to get everything hooked up. And again, it's going to have those 3 diodes on the inside. It's going to work with 12 and 24 volt systems. And at 12 volts, it's only going to be pulling 0.24 amps. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up our light so we can see the output, see exactly how bright it is, and see some of the flash patterns. So I'll hook up my power and ground. Then I can turn on my power source. And even with the overhead light on, you can see how bright it is. And if I touch my yellow wire to the power source, it's going to change the flash pattern. But I'm going to go ahead and turn my overhead light off so we can see exactly how bright it is. See, those 3 LEDs are going to do a really good job of projecting the light out. And with the clear lens, it's going to give us that really crisp, bright floodlight and have a lot of output. So I'm going to turn my overhead light back on, turn my power source off, and disconnect my wires. But that'll finish up your look at the rectangular, clear, thin mount horizontal strobe light with 3 LEDs.